Make this easy dessert and they will surely enjoy this. So come and join me as I share with you this delicious recipe. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar on each llanera, and for this recipe, you need to prepare 4 to 5 llanera. So we are going to caramelize this into a medium fire, and with a tongue, evenly spread out the caramel sugar. We just need to spread it evenly. Be careful, this is hot, so cautious while you are working on this part. In the saucepan, we will be adding a menu instant Leche Flan jelly mix. So this will make our recipe quick and easy to make. And then we are going to add 1 cup of water to dissolve our instant Leche Flan jelly mix. So we need to dissolve it evenly before we add in the next ingredient. Take note of this. And our next ingredient would be our evaporated milk. This is 370 ml. Any brand would do, whatever you preferred. And we are going to add our all-purpose cream. This is 250 ml. If you don't have all-purpose cream, you can also add in or replace it with a whipped cream. Of course, this Leche Flan will not be delicious without our eggs. We are going to add 4 medium whole eggs in our recipe. And the next one, we are going to add 300 ml of condensed milk. Again, whatever brand you desire, you can add it in. And this part is optional. If you want to add additional sweetness to your recipe, you can add 1/2 cup of sugar, or you can delete or omit this part if you don't want extra sweet or extra sweetener to this recipe. And by the way, I forgot to film the part where I add in 1 tablespoon of vanilla flavor. Don't forget that, okay? We just give it a good stir, and we are going to bring this to a simmer in a medium to low fire. And just don't forget to continue to stir it while we wait for it to simmer. So when you say simmer, we don't actually need a boil for this one. We just need a little bubbles by the side of the saucepan. So we are going to add in our mixture to our llanera, which already has a caramel. And now we are going to strain this using a strainer so our mixture will be finer. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Please also hit the notification bell so you will be updated with my new uploads and new recipe to enjoy. So we are going to cool this for 4 hours in the refrigerator, and it's already ready to serve. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video. This is a no-bake, no-steam recipe that you can enjoy, and I'm sure your Suki will love this as well. So you can also earn by doing this recipe. Please subscribe and like my video. Again, thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day!